Michael, your thoughts on this case and what are some of the key things that you think the prosecution is going to use in this trial?
I think pretty much supplying drugs and fentanyl to anybody, basically you're putting yourself at risk of being indicted for murder, right? I think the state is going to focus on the fact that they were careless, that they were callous, that they basically supplied the drugs and they took the risk. The drugs were illegally obtained. They were not prescription medications. And so it's basically, it's almost the same thing as strangling somebody. And this was a grand jury indictment. And so obviously other people also agree that these charges should come down. The accessory after the fact, I'm troubled with that one, Julia, because at the end of the day, you know, I have opinions on those indictments, but David Pierce, I think he's going to be cooked, and I think he'll be found guilty. I think the state is going to focus on the fact that he supplied the drugs knowingly. They didn't break into his safe and take the drugs, and even if they did and they were legally obtained and they were invited into his house, even that might land him an indictment, but that's not what happened. He actually willingly supplied these drugs. So those are my thoughts on the case, and we'll see what happens.